Good morning, everyone. This morning's message is for who it is for. Now, on your screen, it reads, and I quote, "Embrace the delay," end quote. This morning, I want to remind you that sometimes in life, it may feel like everything is moving too slowly, like you're stuck in a place where you don't want to be. But I want you to take some time this morning and consider the idea that maybe, just maybe, this delay is not a punishment or a setback, but rather a divine protection. You see, my friends, God works in mysterious ways, and sometimes the universe slows us down for our own good. Perhaps there is something ahead of you, something sinister or harmful that you're being protected from. Maybe there is a storm brewing ahead, and by slowing you down, ensures that you're not caught in its path. So, in these moments of frustration and impatience, my friends, I urge you to have faith and trust in the divine timing of your life. Embrace the delay as a form of protection and take comfort in the knowledge that you are being watched over. And while you wait, take the time to reflect and prepare yourself for the journey ahead. Use this period of delay to grow, to learn, and to strengthen your spirit. You never know. The delay might just be the opportunity for you to gather the strength and courage you'll need for the journey ahead. So, in closing, my friends, remember that your delay could very well mean your own protection. So, trust in the goodness of God and have faith that everything will unfold just as it should. You are not forgotten, and you are never, ever alone. Yeah, man. A word to the wise.